So what's the most significant issue facing the market, according to us up here in Brisbane? Well, I would suggest that the banks are the main block at the moment for getting deals across the line. There seems to be, I guess, a little bit of an issue between what the valuations all came in at over the last few months and what the credit departments are choosing to approve. So that's generally delaying settlements and delaying financing. So that's a bit of an issue. In terms of leasing, speaking of retail and industrial in particular, is stock. We just don't have a lot of great stock at the moment. We've got a net migration that has occurred from the southern states and also internationally up here in southeast Queensland over the last 12 to 18 months. And we simply don't have enough stock for the tenants. That's a great situation for rents, but not such a great situation in terms of trying to get into the market up here in Brisbane. We are still seeing significant rent increases here in southeast Queensland for industrial sites. That's been led by the lack of supply primarily, and the lack of new stock coming onto the market. The government has been very tight in releasing new land for new builds from an industrial point of view, which has certainly hampered things in that regard. In terms of rents then, the rents are being supported by the lack of stock on the simple supply-demand model, and that's what we're seeing. Yields have reached their zenith at the moment, which is fantastic news for buyers and investors and sellers across the board. Even though yields have softened since the beginning of these interest rate rises, we are seeing buyers re-enter the market now really strongly, which is quite different to what it was 6 months ago. So buyers are hungry again. We're now talking to owners again that want to take their properties to auction. These are really good signs that the market is positive and trading well. That positivity is also translated to rents. So rents across the industrial and retail market are both up and will continue to be up for the rest of this calendar year, we feel. The only area that's sort of still a bit soft that we are still infilling is office, which, is lagging behind retail and industrial. Still great areas to be investing in up here in southeast Queensland. We're seeing a lot of interstate investment and foreign investment, and that's really good news.